Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about the taxonomical aids, taxonomical aids. And the first aid that we are going to discuss is the herbarium, the herbarium. So herbarium is a stored house, it is a stored house of plant specimens. Please remember this, herbarium consists of, plant specimens. Please remember, herbarium consists of plant specimens. So that's why we are calling it as herbarium is a stored house of plant specimens, and all those plant specimens which are stored are first dried, they are pressed and then preserved. First dried, pressed and preserved on the sheets, on the sheets. Please remember this. So herbarium is a stored house of plant specimens which are dried, pressed and preserved on the sheets, on the sheets. And after pressing and preserving, after drying, pressing and preserving on the sheets, we are going to arrange them, or they will be arranged according to the universally accepted system of classification. Please remember, they are arranged according to universally accepted system of classification. Please remember this point. Their arrangement is done according to the universally accepted system of classification. And now you should remember that once it is done, it is the storehouse, of plant specimens. It is the storehouse. Herbarium is what now? It is the storehouse of plant specimens. Of plant specimens with complete information. That's why we are calling it as with the descriptions for future use. It is for repository or for future use we are saying, which means all the information related to that particular plant specimen present on the sheet, will be described, and it is stored, it is stored for future use, So let us just recap very fast. What is herbarium? It is the stored house of plant specimens. And these plant specimens are stored in which way? They are stored by drying them, by pressing them, and then preserving them on the sheets. And they are arranged, according to the universally accepted system of classification. And once you arrange them according to the universally accepted system of classification, please remember, you are giving the complete information that we are calling it as what? With the descriptions for future use. You are giving the complete information about that particular plant specimen, So once you give that, now you can say that every herbarium sheet, every herbarium sheet is containing what now? The description, a very important information about that particular plant specimen, about that particular plant specimen. So every herbarium sheet will be having a label providing the information, about the date of its collection, and from the place you collected, place of collection, and the name of that particular plant specimen in English, and also from its local language, in local language from where you collected that plant, what is the name that is given in that local language, and the botanical names will be written there on that sheet, Botanical names means scientific names, and also you will be giving the information about that particular plant specimen's family also. To which family this particular plant specimen belongs to, you will be giving. And at the same time, the collector's name, the one who collected this plant specimen's name, will also be given in that particular sheet, So this is the information that will be provided on the herbarium sheet. That herbarium sheet is containing what? A plant specimen which is having a plant specimen which is dried, pressed and preserved, And very, very, very important point that we have to keep in mind is that herbaria also serve as, please remember this, quick referral systems in taxonomical studies. Very, very important point. Please remember, what is herbarium's use? It is used for quick referral system in taxonomic studies. So let us remember a very important point regarding the herbarium is herbaria also serve as what? Quick referral systems in taxonomical studies. Very important point. Okay, this is a very important point regarding the herbarium. Okay, so it is a quick referral system in taxonomical studies. And as we said here, what is provided? The complete information will be provided on the herbarium sheets. And now here, if you are seeing a herbarium sheet, okay, if you are seeing a herbarium sheet, say suppose this is an herbarium sheet, and here is the plant specimen. Okay, here is the plant specimen you are keeping. Okay, here is the plant specimen. Okay, so once you dry, press, and you are preserving it. Okay, a plant specimen on the sheet, you are giving all that label, providing information on the right side corner. Okay, on the right side corner, you will be providing all the information here. The first, the date of collection, place of collection, second one. Okay, the names in English, the local name and the botanical names, okay, will be given, and to which family it belongs to, the fourth, and the last but not the least, fifth one, collector's name. Okay, the one who collected, his name also will be given there. So this is giving the complete information about that particular, okay, plant specimen. Okay, plant specimen, and this is what we also should keep in mind. Okay, so we should also keep the size of the sheet also, the size of the sheet. So here we should remember the size of the sheet is 20.5 inches into 21.5 inches. Okay, 5 inches. Or otherwise, if it is in centimeters, it is 42 into 29 centimeters. Okay, you have to remember this size also. Please remember this size. Okay, please remember this size. In some cases, you may be coming across here instead of 42 as 41. But otherwise, it is this which we have to keep in mind when we are talking about the size of the herbarium sheet. Okay, when we are talking about the size of the herbarium sheet. So the next one is botanical gardens. Okay, botanical gardens. So here these are botanical gardens are specialized gardens. Okay, these are specialized gardens. Okay, botanical gardens are specialized gardens which consists of collection of living plants for reference. Okay, living plants for reference. Please remember, living plants for reference means a very rare plants also will be there for what? For reference. Okay, for reference. And they are grown for what purpose? Okay, they are grown for what purpose? For identification purpose. Okay, they are grown for identification purposes. Okay, for identification purposes. And here each plant is labeled. Each plant is labeled with its botanical name, otherwise calling it as what? Scientific name and the family. So here, if there is a big plant, okay, if there is a big plant that is growing in in a botanical garden, okay, in a botanical garden, its name, okay, its scientific name or botanical name will be given, and even to the family to which it belongs, also will be given over there for that particular plant. Okay, so here the name of the plant, okay, botanical name or scientific name, and the family of that name will be given on the plant. Okay, on the plant. So that is again a very important information that will be provided. So okay, as the quick reference. Okay, as a quick reference it will be given. So here each plant is labeled with its botanical name, scientific name, and the family, and even the family. And we can come across famous botanical gardens. Okay, famous botanical gardens, and the most famous botanical gardens are, now the first one here, Kew. It is situated in, or it is present in England. Okay, Kew is the best or the most famous botanical garden in England. And if you are seeing in India, there are two very famous, okay, botanical gardens. The first one is Indian Botanical Garden, which is there in Howrah. Okay, which is there in Howrah. Indian Botanical Garden present in Howrah. And at the same time, the third one is National Botanical Research Institute. Okay, National Botanical Research Institute, which is there in Lucknow. That is also in India only. Okay, so these are the most famous botanical gardens. So here in this video we studied about the herbarium and also about the botanical gardens. But please remember, in herbarium we said that that we are drying, pressing and preserving the plant specimens which are not living, okay, they are non-living things. And herbariums are used, herbaria is used as quick reference system in taxonomic studies, don't forget that. And here we are saying the botanical gardens which consists of living plants for reference, which consists of their, okay, each plant, okay, is used, is cultivated, is grown for its identification purpose, which consists of its name and also to the family it belongs to, okay. And here we are seeing the different or famous botanical gardens, Kew and Indian Botanical Garden and National Botanical Research Institute. Thank you so much.